everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hit that like and subscribe button. Today I'll be doing a steak and cheese burrito for y'all. You're gonna need some steak strips that's already chopped up at your local store. I went to Food Line, got mine. You're gonna need some Prego homestyle Alfredo sauce, and you're gonna need some green peppers, onions, and whatever kind of veggies you want chopped up. You're gonna need all of those goodies and chop them up real good, nice and fine. I don't do mine fine because I like mine chunky. So these are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need the Italian Applewood. These are all by McCormick Montreal steak. Don't laugh at the Montreal chicken because I love that seasoning. I don't care if it's for chicken. I absolutely love it for my steaks. So all you're gonna do is eye this. You're gonna just spread it over and eye it. And listen, I'm still old school. I don't use gloves for my meats. My hands are super duper clean because I wash my hands periodically. Doing my cooking process, so my family already know I am old school. I'm gonna use my hands for that. Make sure it's, spread it out evenly. And that's steak and cheese. No, that's the chicken season I'm using right there. And that's an Italian a pinch. This is all by McCormick, y'all. They make the best seasonings. Let's argue. You put that stuff all together, mix it all together, make sure it's spread out evenly, set it to the side. Get you that little, that little pan I got is a plug in. You just plug it in and it gets super, super hot. You put that stuff in there, it's gonna sizzle, baby. Y'all, and it smells so good. And I put it on high because you gotta think stir fries. You know how you go to, I don't know if it's like Applebee's, it be sizzling when it comes to you. That's how it's supposed to be. I don't know what's the name of that dish. Some kind of something they sell at Applebee's, and they bring it out sizzling straight off the grill, kind of like that. So you want that thing as hot as you can get it. And I don't know about y'all, I like mine well done because we is not eating anything medium rare. I don't care about no little pink. I'm gonna need this thing well done, okay? So what you're gonna do is get another pan on the stove, and you're going to start to saute those green peppers, mushrooms, and onions. Now I didn't use mushrooms this go around because normally I do chop up mushrooms and I put that in the veggies as well. But this time I just decided not to do the mushrooms for some reason because they just get on my nerves chopping them up too. And don't be saying I got too much grease in there because I don't. This is how I do it. It's so delicious and I know how to drain, so I don't know. I just look like a chef doing that. Don't be laughing at my wooden spoon because I absolutely love that wooden spoon. I don't know why. That little wooden spoon make me feel like I'm a daggone chef. It just slide around in that pan so well. Yes. And look, what I'm about to do next is going to have folks saying, why'd she do that? Right there. Putting that little bit of Italian spice seasoning in there. I love it. It just makes me feel like I'm doing something. It works. Any season, look, you can't go wrong with that Italian seasoning. Period. And anything you cook, you can't go wrong with that. See, my steak is getting real brown. Yes, there's a lot of grease coming out of that steak, honey, but we're not going to use that grease. We're going to drain. And I'm just trying to make sure it's all cooked, all done, well done, because we're not doing medium rare. Now, if you do medium rare, that's your business. Okay? And if you do medium well, that's your business. But you need to know how to eye that thing. And right now I'm just taking it out of the grease because it's one of those pans that, like I said, plug up. So, and look at my little veggies over here. And look, I am not letting them burn. I want it to have that little char taste. So I let mine brown a little longer because that char taste is going to matter when you fix this dish. Trust me. So, I put the meat in the pan after I've drained it from the grease. Okay, drain from the grease, y'all. And then you spread your veggies on top, whatever veggies you chose, and you take your Alfredo secret sauce. This is sauce right here. This is secret to the dish. And you swoop it all together, and you swoop, and you stir, and you swoop, and you stir. Y'all, I'm telling y'all are going to love me after this dish. And look, once you eat this dish, I want y'all to go to the comments immediately and tell me what you think. If you didn't think it was all that, that's fine. But the people who really, really love it, can you please share the video and say, watch this girl beast this fajita at home and shut these Mexican restaurants down. Because what we won't do is save $25 at a Mexican restaurant, and you can do this at home, honey. And no, I did not get this recipe from no Mexican restaurant. What had happened was I was down to my last in my cupboard. You know, I'm not afraid to admit it. I was down to my last one day, and I had a jar of Prego Alfredo sauce, these old steak strips, and I had some tortillas in my cupboard. And honey, I made a dish, and it is my family's favorite dish. Okay, anyway, I'm babbling. So now it's time to fry your tortilla. So you're just gonna put some oil in a pan. I use the same pan. I just wash out, keep using. I love that little pan. And you're gonna, that's the kind I use. The tortilla for burritos, 8 flour. I always use more because my family eats more than one taco. Okay, get it real hot, put it in the pan, and let that thing fry. And what you don't want is to burn it. So you need to be standing over top of this, because if you don't, see how I flipped that within seconds? Flip it over. See how brown it is? Don't let it get black now, because you don't want to char. Now, some people do the char, you know, but this is perfect. Now, bust the holes, because it's going to bubble up. Bust the hole. Pick it up. Drain it. Okay, drain it. Put it to the side. If you're going to do 2, you do the same step. You just repeat the same step, okay? Fry it. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget this right here. Main ingredient. Kraft. Not the off-brand. Kraft. Mexican 4 cheese. Shredded cheese. Look, y'all, don't be trying to be cheap. Get the Kraft, okay? It's worth it. It's worth it. So now I'm taking it over there in the corner. You can see I'm putting the tacos into the fried tortillas that we just fried. I'm putting them over in there, as you can see. Oh, they got, I wish I could. Oh my God, y'all. Yes. And no, my tortilla ain't burning, y'all. I bet y'all want to know if I'm gonna flip it over. Yes, it's not gonna burn. I've been doing this forever. I don't know, but I'm a little slow. But anyway, I put the cheese on top of that. So, oh yeah, see? It didn't burn. Almost done. Talking to them kids, they were standing over me trying to act like they know what they're doing too. Yeah, and put the cheese on top of the taco. On top of that nice little meat right there. And then what you want to do is the final. Okay, the final is roll it. Roll it. Roll it once. Oh, there we go. Twice. Do the same for the other. Honey. And look. Voila. There's your meal. And you see it coming out on the side, on the right hand side? Let me tell you, you're going to need a fork. Because, honey, when you pick it up, you're going to lose some meat. It's so thick. And there you have it. That is Kay's steak and cheese burrito. Listen, drop down in the comments. Let me know if you tried this recipe and you like it. I hope you do. And listen, if it's your first time here, guys, yes, I'm new to this. On this channel, I'm going to show y'all everything. I'm going to do the most. And I want to leave you with something. I am also the snack queen. So I'm going to let you in on a secret of a combo that I done put together. And honey, if you don't watch this, you're going to be in trouble. It is the Ruffles sour cream and cheddar mixed with pub cheese, presidential pub cheese, garlic and herb. Listen, look at this. You are going to thank me. So if you like that snack, make sure you drop down in the comments and show me some love. Like, share, comment. And please share this video. Share this video with your family and friends, God. And look, this is great for a tailgate too. My burritos are good for a tailgate. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell for my next video. And like I said, this channel is A Day with Kay, honey. You will see any and everything on this channel my whole life. It's just a vlog, man. I be doing the most. My dogs, my family. You're going to enjoy it. So like and subscribe and share. Bye.